action.
Hi everyone, I'm Ferdy Agustiar and this is my friend.
Nurisya, Maharani.
And this is
Herlis, Putri, Utami. We are from the Community of Environmental Art, Poltekkes Kemenkes, Surabaya.
Now we will show you how to make a cup of coffee with easy and fast step.
many people already know how to make a cup of coffee, right?
Yes, but we are here for our English class.
No problem. Let's start the video.
Check it out!
The benefits of drinking coffee is increasing brain function and improving your mood, preventing headaches and reduce sleepiness. Yes, that's all the benefits of drinking coffee. Yes, let's check out the video.
Coffee, sugar, hot water, cocoa powder, spoon, glass. Put 2 teaspoons of coffee into the glass. Then put 3 teaspoons of sugar. This is or depends on your taste into the glass. And put 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder or depends on your taste into the glass. After that, add hot water. And stir it well. Stir it well. Okay, a glass of coffee is ready to drink.
Yeah, that's all our video about how to make a cup of coffee.
We
With
have-
an easy and fast steps.
We hope that our video will give a good benefit for all of us.
Maybe this video is simple, but I hope this video can inspire all of you.
We are apologies if there is a wrong word.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment this channel, right? Okay, see you and bye bye.